Like you, I've Googled how to animate photos with AI a bunch of times, and I always hit the same problem. Super detailed 30-minute tutorials, complicated tools where you need to understand some weird coding language, and honestly, it feels like way more effort than it's worth. Well, no more. Let me teach you how to animate photos with AI in just 3 minutes using a super simple tool called AliveMoment. Let's see how to bring photos to life. To follow along with my AliveMoment tutorial, check the link in the description and grab a discount. AliveMoment is already cheap, but with my secret deal, you can get it for even less. After logging in right away, you'll notice something different here compared to most AI tools. Everything is already set up for beginners. No confusing dashboard, and more importantly, no crazy learning curve, so you can put down that coding book. Here are the steps you need to follow to animate still photo. Step 1. Upload your photo to start the image to video AI process. This can be anything from old family photos to selfies to stock images for your social media project. Step 2. Choose the type of animation, like subtle face movement, a head turn, or even walking style motion. I mostly do head turns because the results look really good. Step 3. Click once and let the tool create the animation. And that's it. The biggest advantage here is that you don't need prompts at all. Most tools expect you to write detailed instructions, and those take time as well as a bit of creativity. With AliveMoment, you just pick from ready-made styles and don't have to waste your time. You can also tweak a few things if you want more control. For example, you can adjust the video length, shorter clips around 5 seconds or slightly longer ones up to about 10 seconds, depending on what you need. It's a simple thing, but it gives you just enough flexibility without overcomplicating things. So that was it for the tutorial part. Now, let me share a few personal tips. In terms of pricing, AliveMoment works on a subscription plus credit system. So you get a certain number of animations, and if you need more, you can top up. Compared to most AI video tools out there, it's actually pretty affordable. Especially if you use the discount link in the description. But AliveMoment isn't just about animation. You can also animate old photos more effectively by improving them first. The tool includes photo restoration features, so you can enhance the quality or even colorize older images before turning them into videos. Not needing multiple tools for this actually makes a huge difference, especially if you're working with low quality or faded pictures. There's also built-in features and styles. For example, themes could include a winter photo shoot aesthetic or other creative variations. And one feature I actually found useful is portrait mode. It works great for profile pictures, thumbnails, or social media posts that need photo shoot-like images. So yeah, if you've ever wanted to master image to video AI, this is probably one of the easiest ways to do it right now. Just upload, click, and you're done. If you want to try it yourself, check the link in the description, grab the discount, and start to animate photos like a wizard. Oh, and if you want a more in-depth AliveMoment review from me, do let me know in the comments. That's it. See you in my next video.